Hydroponic farming is a modern and profitable farming system if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Students, unemployed youth, or housewives can start a hydroponic farming business as extra income in their own homes. One of the main advantages of this cultivation is that it can be done in any environment. Hydroponic farming can be carried out on city rooftops, balconies, indoors, and even on a large scale commercially. Hydroponic farming is a sophisticated agricultural method in which plants are grown without soil. In this farming system, the necessary nutrients are provided to the plants through water, in which various nutrients are mixed. Hydroponic system, the plant receives nutrients directly through an aqueous solution operated in a controlled environment. As a result, the plant grows faster and the yield is also higher. Dear viewers, today we will know how to do hydroponic farming. We will discuss all the rules and regulations of hydroponic farming step by step. Usually, nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, calcium, magnesium, and other necessary elements are mixed with water in a specific ratio and kept in contact with the roots of the plant. Hydroponic farmers have complete control over the environment, including climate, temperature, humidity, light, and air composition. That is, you can grow foods throughout the year, regardless of the season. Farmers can increase their profits by planting crops at the right time. There are a few core elements that make up a successful hydroponic farming system: fresh water, oxygen, root support, nutrients, and light. Choosing a site that allows your plants to receive optimum sunlight per day is very important. If you are sitting your hydroponic system indoors, then you need to add quality lighting systems such as LED or fluorescent grow lights. Hydroponic farming can easily produce various types of vegetables such as lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, capsicums, strawberries, mint, etc. Especially crops that have small roots and produce quickly are more suitable for hydroponic farming. First of all, find a large watertight container, fish tank, aquarium, to use as your growing bed. If your growing bed is translucent or transparent, paint it black or construct a shield using aluminum foil or cardboard to block off the light. You can make some part of the light shield removable if you wish to view your plant roots. Build a floating platform to hold your plants. Cut holes in the styrofoam to hold the planting pots, or mesh pots, so that the base of the pots hangs beneath the bottom of the styrofoam float without falling through. Cut as many holes as required, based on the number of plants you want to grow, and also cut a small hole to run the air line into the growing chamber. Make sure you space the holes properly so that each plant receives enough light. Mix the growing medium and pour it into the mesh or planting pots, and add the plants. Fill up the growing chamber with water and mix the plant food, nutrient or fertilizer, with water as directed by the nutrient manufacturer. Check the pH of the solution and adjust according to the requirements of the crop you want to grow. Run the air line through the small hole you made in the styrofoam and attach it to the air stone. Place the air stone in the growing chamber and attach the air line to the air pump. Plug the air pump into your electrical outlet and check if bubbles are coming up from the air stone. Place the floating platform, styrofoam, on the nutrient solution, then place the mesh or planting pots in the designated holes in the floating platform and turn on the air pump. Add only water to the solution to bring the level back up when the plants have expended about half of the nutrient solution. You can check and adjust the pH again if necessary. Adding additional nutrients or fertilizer here will increase the nutrient concentration, which can harm your plants. Drain the growing chamber and mix a fresh nutrient solution when your crops have used up half of the plant nutrient solution for the second time.